Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the first chapter of the biology, which is known as the biotic progression. My first question is, dear friend, which process is essential for the maintaining life in an organism? A. Reproduction. B. Respiration. C. Exhalation. D. Growth. The correct answer will be respiration. Respiration is a process essential for maintaining life in an organism. So, option B is correct. Now, question number 2. The process by which the organism obtain energy from food is called option A digestion, option B respiration, option C nutrition, option D excretion. The correct answer will be respiration. Now question number 3. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? We want to know the releasing gas at the process of the photosynthesis. Option A carbon dioxide gas, option B oxygen gas, option C nitrogen gas, option D hydrogen. So which gas is released during photosynthesis? At the time of the photosynthesis, the releasing gas is oxygen gas. It means plants release the oxygen gas at the process of the photosynthesis. That gas absorbed by the human beings, and humans beings released the carbon dioxide gas. Now question number 4. The site of the photosynthesis in the plant cell is option A mitochondria, ribosome, chloroplast, vacuole. The correct answer will be chloroplast. Question number 5. Which enzyme is present in the saliva? Option A pepsin, option B amylase, option C trypsin, option D lipase. The correct answer will be amylase. Question number 6. The breakdown of the glucose in the presence of oxygen is called option A aerobic respiration, fermentation, transpiration. The correct answer will be aerobic respiration. Question number 7. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Option A lungs, option B brains, option C hearts, option D liver. The correct answer will be C heart. Heart is the organ responsible for the pumping blood in the human body. Now question number 8. The main function of red blood cell is called to fight infection, transport oxygen, digest food, remove waste material. The correct work of the red blood corpuscle is the transport of the oxygen gas. It means the red blood carried the oxygen gas. Now question number 9. Which blood vessel carried oxygenated blood from heart to body? Veins, capillary, artery, vena cava. The correct answer will artery. Now question number 10. The functional unit of the kidney is neuron, nephron, alveolus, villus. The correct answer will be the functional unit of the kidney is nephron. So answer B is correct. Now question number 11. Which waste product is the removed by the kidney? Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, urea. Option D, glucose. The correct answer will urea and uric acid are the removed by the kidney. Now question number 12. The process of the removal of the waste material from the body is called nutrition, respiration, exhalation, circulation. The correct answer will be exhalation. Exhalation is the process of the removal of the waste material from the body. Now question number 13. Which part of the plants is the mainly responsible for the transpiration? Option A, stem. Option C, root. Option C, leaves. Option D, flower. Now question again, which part of the plant is mainly responsible for the transpiration? The correct answer will be leaves. Question number 14. In which part of the alimentary canal does the maximum aspiration occur? Option A, stomach. Option B, large intestine. Option C, small intestine. Option D, esophagus. The correct answer will be small intestine. Now question number 15. Which pigment is essential for the photosynthesis? Carotene, xanthophyll, chlorophyll, anthocyanin. The correct answer will be chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which is essential for the photosynthesis. Now question number 16. Anaerobic respiration is yeast produces lactic acid, alcohol and CO2, oxygen, water. The correct answer will be alcohol and carbon dioxide. So anaerobic respiration in the yeast produced by the alcohol and carbon dioxide. Now question number 17. Which chamber of the heart pump oxygenated blood to the body? Option A, right atrium. Option B, right ventricle. C, left atrium. Option D, left ventricle. The correct answer will be left ventricle. Now question number 18. The tiny air sacs in the lungs are called bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, trochlea. The correct answer will be C. Now question number 19. Which life process is common to all living organisms? Option A, reproduction. Option B, growth. Option C, respiration. Option D, photosynthesis. The correct answer will be respiration. Respiration is the process which is the common all living organism. Now question number 20, that will be last question and important question. The process of taking in food is known as option A, digestion. Option B, nutrition. Option C, respiration. Option D, assimilation. The correct answer will be the process of taking food is known as a nutrition. So option B correct. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.